Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today in this video I will going to tell about one of the best program. That program name is Google Cloud Arcade program, which is organized by Google Cloud. If anybody want to make a career in a cloud computing, they can be a part of this program. And after finishing this program, you will able to get lot of things from Google Cloud, like swags and many gifts from Google Cloud. And you will also able to learn something new, like a lot of new technology which has given by Google Cloud, and that technology you have to solve. So let me start. So first of all, you have to open any browser. Like I will going to open Chrome browser. You can open anyone, and just you have to search arcade. Just you have to click here, and make sure that you have to click here. And this is the arcade page where you can access this lab. So how you will going to access this lab? So just you have to copy this access code. Make sure that you don't copy this extra space here. You don't copy this extra space. Just copy this one only, and click start here. And if you already have skill boots, cloud skill boots account means you don't have to make any account. If you don't have means you have to create account. If you don't have means if you want to me to make a video how to create a cloud skill boots account, so let me know in the comment box. So I already have account. That's why I will not going to create any account. Just I will going to join here. Just a second. It will take some time. It will totally depend upon your internet connection. Yeah. Now you can able to see. Just you have to click join this game. If you want to join this game, just click here and paste that access code which we have copied and click join. Yes, now you can able to complete this 12 lab which has 7 lab is given here and 5 lab that's given here. And this one no need to complete, just you have to complete this 12 labs. After finishing this lab, 12 lab, you will able to get 1 point. So I think you have one doubt. What is the use of this point? The use of this point when price counter will open in month of July or June, on that time you will able to redeem your swags, which means bags, pen, t-shirt, and many more things which are given by Google Cloud. You can on that time you can able to claim that swags. So how you will going to complete this labs? Just you have to click here, and they have given some time, like they have given 2 hours 50 minutes. Within this time you have to complete this lab. So just you have to copy this one and go to your YouTube and paste there. You will on YouTube you will able to get all the solution for this labs, and whatever they have given, just you have to follow that one. And by doing this, if you have knowledge about Google Cloud, then you can able to solve by your own. And if you don't have any idea means how to solve, you can go on YouTube and search. So I hope you guys are get to know about this program. If you have any doubt about this program, let me know in the comment box. And if you like this video, just subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching this.